Hey guys, long time no see, and I went to 99-cent only store. They hardly had anything there that I wanted. I mean, they had a lot of stuff, but not that I wanted, so I will show you that. But I went to Dollar Tree and I got some things. Well, of course, I wouldn't be here, right? How are you guys doing? It is now September. This is my first haul for September, and it's still 100 degrees, but when we were over 110, you know, around 110, let me tell you, 100 degrees feels good. Okay, so I found these, the jumbo stickers, and these are in the Hawaiian style, the tropical. What I use these for is I will alter a notebook and I will use these on them. They look really nice. They work really well. They have a nice stick to them. But if I'm putting them on a notebook, I will usually use Mod Podge to make sure that, you know, everything is secure. And I got another one of these quick covers. This is the silver and white, and I thought this would be a nice background for my Halloween crafts that I'm going to be showing you. So I got this. The only thing is they're shiny, and so you can get a bit of a glare off of them, but it's still a nice background. And I found two more of these. I love these. Now this would be a perfect notebook to put a sticker on, not these, but you know, cover up that part, you know, do a pretty sticker. I really like these, the gems and then the feathers. So I've been altering these, decorating them, and then I'll glue a ribbon in and put some kind of a charm on the bottom to hang out the bottom as a bookmark, and they are really cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them and just give them away as gifts, I guess, but I'm having fun doing those. And I got one of these. I thought these would be nice to use in the notebook. Whose video was I watching? I was watching Yolanda Yoli Bean, and she had made some of the cute little traveler's notebooks that Roxy Fur had done, and Amber Lyric Lover had done, and she used these to put in the back to put a little paper clip in. And so I thought that would be a cute idea with my notebooks. I thought that would be a nice way to put a pen or a pencil or a paper clip, would be to use that little label holder. You guys, I don't know why I do this, but I got some more nails. These are so pretty. Oh my god, I just love them. One of these days I'm gonna have to actually use them. I thought these would be fun for Halloween. Now we'll see if I actually do them, because since I've been eating my sugar-free Jell-O every day, my nails are much better. But I got a little thing of the Kiss Super Bond nail glue. So if and when I ever do these are so cool. I just love the color. Let's take one out and see what they're gonna look like. And I got two of them. I have so many nails, glue-on nails, that are just sitting in a drawer. So they cover pretty well. I have to file the tip down. The tip isn't, well, this is awkward. Oh, that's what it looks like. This is what it would look like on. I'm giving you the finger. Oh my goodness. I am a weirdo. Okay, put these away. So I think that they'll cover okay. I don't know, I may have to take my natural nails down a little more. I just filed them down. Used to be that when I would file them, they would split, you know, on the edges. And now, I mean, that still happens sometimes, but they are so thick again. I can't believe it, you guys. And I know some people take collagen, but for me, the sugar-free Jell-O is a little low-calorie treat, and I enjoy eating it, and it's really helped my nails. I found one lonely bottle of the glitter glue. This stuff is really good, you guys. If you see it and you like to craft and use glitter stuff, these were really good and opaque. I got a little bottle of Diphenhydramine Benadryl. We give this to Bruno twice a day. He has the form of lupus that affects his muzzle and his nose. And we went to the vet yesterday. Lily and Bruno needed their bordetella. And so we went in and Dr. Benson said that Bruno's nose looked really good. And so we just give him 2 Benadryl in the morning and 2 at night, and it helps keep the itching and inflammation down. He was, when we got it diagnosed, he would just scratch his mouth so much that he got a little infection in his lip. So the Benadryl really helps him. They had some new washi tape, and so this was the only one I was interested in. The craft paper musical notes, I thought this was really cool. And I found these to go with my little notebooks that I'm doing. They still had some of these left. So I got one more thing in here. Another project I've been working on are painted rocks. There's a group here, it's hashtag Las Vegas Painted Rocks if you're interested. Some of the people who paint the rocks are so talented. Somebody just posted she's doing Jack Skellington, and I've just been using rocks that I've been finding, but it's hard if they aren't the smooth river rocks because there's so much texture. And so I did one of a goldfish, and it was really difficult to do because there was so much texture in the rock. So I found these little river rocks. They're smooth and flat, and I thought it'd be fun to do little eyeballs or little bugs or little what was the other thing I was thinking of? But something small. It would be fun to do those. And then I don't think I'll be able to, maybe I could put at least hashtag LVPR, Las Vegas Painted Rocks, on the back. And then you go to a park and you place them, and then people can find them. So it's a cool group here in Vegas. A really fun thing to do with your kids. And it's fun for the community. You know, what a positive thing. You go to the park and you find this cool painted rock, and you can keep it or leave it or rehide it, you know, whatever you want to do. So, got that. Now I have to find my bag from 99¢ only. It has very few things in it. The last time I had gone, I don't think I showed it, but I had gotten a couple of things of foundation. I was at a L'Oreal, and they were $2. It was a tube, and I really liked it. So I had gotten 2. I thought, well, I'll just try 2. And I went back today, and I went back too late, and there weren't any more. But I put that on as the first layer, and then I put my CC cream over it, and I really like the extra coverage, and it's kind of a mousse texture. It's L'Oreal. I don't remember. But, and at 99¢ only, I got some more Diphenhydramine. I wasn't really planning on coming to Dollar Tree, but 99¢ only hardly had anything I wanted, although they have a lot of cool Halloween stuff. So the one at Dollar Tree was better. Those were 36 caplets, and here you get 24, but that will hold us over until I get to Walmart tomorrow. And then these tongs, oh my god, these are so cool. Skeleton tongs. And then they're nice and sturdy. They had them in a gray color too, but I thought the white would be nice because it looks more like bones. Our friends Tina and Michael have a Halloween party every year, and so I don't know if I'll take anything that I'll need these for, but I'll probably take them anyway just to have in case somebody needs them for their dish. And then I found 3 of these. I really like these glosses. This is really a fun one. I have the light pink ones that I use all the time, and then the red, and they have this burgundy color. So that was it. That's all I got. For tonight. Oh, I didn't show you this bag. I've been looking for fall placemats, and I think I have some in probably our fall decorative box. But we have 2 tables now to decorate, so I found these. So I got 4 of these. And look, you guys, oh my god, salt and pepper shakers. Little Dracula and a little ghost. And then the hats, the witch hats. I don't put salt and pepper in these, I just put them out as a decorative thing, and I just switch them out for the holidays or the seasons. But aren't these cute? And now I have a dining room table and a kitchen table. And I got 2 of these. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. It's like they have a screw cap on them, and it's the Mercury glass style candle holder. So I got 2 of those, and Sissy, who I think she's the manager of the store up here, she's been here as long as I've been coming, and she checked me out, so she wrapped them in the placemats, and I said, I really like that idea. So, and I told Mike last night, I said, I want you to bring in the box of fall decorations, so we can at least start putting some of that out. I should really probably just start doing Halloween, but we'll see. Anyway, aren't these cool? They make quick, easy work of altering something. Okay, what am I doing here? Okay, guys, is there anything else I want to say? I've been sneezing a lot. Construction around here is crazy. Oh my god. They're putting a Costco up just a few miles from our house. Thank God. It's supposed to open in November. So there's that. They're putting apartment buildings up. They're just building houses, subdivisions. The building is crazy. They're building something over there. I don't know what they're doing, but it's all over the place. So Vegas is booming again. Okay, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll just see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.